Becky said I need a haircut. What do you guys think? What about a shave? Maybe get rid of some of these gray hairs. Anyways, we are on the road again. We're headed over to Sand Hollow State Park, and we're sneaking down on the beach to pull a few cars out. And it's a little warm today. I should have brought my trunks and my flip-flops so we could have hit the water. But other than that, we will take you along for the ride. Hey, how you doing? We made it.
Yay.
Yeah, what's your name?
Brad.
Brad Casey. Good to meet you.
Becky.
Nice to meet you. So what I'll do, I'm just going to take it nice and easy.
Okay.
We don't need to get
a reverse or anything?
Yeah, I want you to get in there and just drive it just kind of a little bit and then steer. Sometimes you have to like look out your window and look at your wheel to see what it's doing, because you really don't get any steering thing, and I'll just pull you down around slow. I think maybe if I pull you like 30 feet, we might be able to just
I can
turn
go
around. And we'll just take it easy. Maybe we got lucky. Yeah. There's always a hazard with coming to Sand Hollow because your phone don't quit ringing. So we're sneaking out here. We got a family that had an emergency. We got to load all their stuff up and get it on their vehicle so they can get back to wherever they're headed. So we'll go see what we can do to help them out. All right, we got a load now. Look at that. This looks like a beach party. If I take off with all their stuff, I'll have my own party on the beach.